So as you know, going to and from work can be pretty busy on the road. So you have all of your safety systems here to keep everything in check. So you have your blind spot monitor, which is nice, but on top of that, whenever I blink left or right, I'm going to have a camera that shows up, and it's going to show me a camera view of both my left and my right blind spots. Now on top of this, you're going to have your forward collision warning, you're going to have your backup camera, you're going to have a 360-degree camera available as well. You're also going to have your full suite of adaptive cruise control, which is amazing on the highway, especially if you have a longer commute. And you also have a steering assist button, so you push that and it takes a lot more of the pressure, gives you a little bit less fatigue whenever you're going to and from your destinations. And on a more casual drive, the GV80 has lots to offer as well. You've got this beautiful panoramic roof, so your passengers can really take advantage of beautiful skies if you have those often. And then this Lexicon sound system is one of my favorite sound systems. It's very, very good. One of my favorite things is how you can adjust the sound quality. So there's a reference sound mode, which basically makes you feel like you're in the studio. You have an on-stage mode, which makes you feel like you're on stage with one of your favorite performers. And then you also have an audience setup that will make you feel like you're right there in a concert setting. Well, it's pretty much going to wrap up driving impressions of the Genesis GV80. I think Genesis nailed it, which is very important because that's something they needed to do with their first SUV, and I think they hit it out of the park. Well, everyone's going to wrap up my review over the Genesis GV80. I think Genesis has done an incredible job of separating themselves from the sea of other SUVs. This really has its own personality, its own characteristic, and I think it's going to make a great statement and set a good benchmark of what Genesis has coming later on. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. If you're new, I'd love to have you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, that way you never miss an upload, and I will see you guys in the next video.